Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to the nthezone daily ACD recap for Tuesday, May 24th, 2016. In these recap videos, I go over the best ACD setups that occurred on this day. These videos are intended to show you the types of trades the ACD offers on a daily basis. Let's take a look at today's action. Okay, so today we were gapping up. We had a supportive pivot range down here, but the gap was, pretty significant. And this morning I was hoping that we'd get a pullback to about 53 to let me get on board along at 53. That would have been right around the high of a overnight pivot range that I had calculated. But we didn't get much of a pullback here, and then we pushed up, and we pushed all the way up to the A up pretty quickly. And here, if you would have faded the A up, you only got about a 2-point pullback here. It looked like it might work. Let me bring up the 1 minute chart and show how price came and touched the A point, got rejected, moved off of it about 2 points, and then was able to recover. Okay, now when it comes back up here, you don't want to fade the second time. And it also spent 5 minutes here. Okay, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 1 minute bars, and we got 5 minutes. This is a confirmed, but notice where this got confirmed at. It got confirmed at about 66.25. So you're getting short at 65.50, and you're going to be stopped out at 66.25. I hope that you can see that that's a small risk. Okay, to fade. I like to fade just about every A on the first touch, and even as bullish as today was, I like to fade. Of course, when you're wrong, you're out here. Okay, so the fade didn't work. It worked for a couple of points, but then recovered and then stopped you out with a time stop. And at this point, you want to get long. And like I've said in the past, you want to get long relatively quickly with an A up. With an A down, you don't want to get short so quick. Okay, but with an A up, you don't want to dally around too much. You want to get on board because that's just the nature of this market. And so it pulled back to the A up number, and you could have gotten long here. And then you're off to the races. This red line up here is your 11 tick stop off of your fade, okay? You can see that that was not elected, that the time stop was elected, okay? All right, so once price pushes up here, it continues to go up. Now, in this area, if you notice, it kind of stalls and just kind of goes sideways here for a while. And I thought that it might roll over here. And the reason was because we had the monthly pivot range in this area. The monthly pivot range ran from, let me try to draw it on here, from about 70, oops, hang on, make sure I got a rectangle here. Okay, from about 72.50 down to 68.50, let me double check that. Yeah, 68.50. So in this area here, okay, this is the monthly pivot range, okay? Let me make this purple. So, okay, so this is the pivot range for the month of May, based off of the first trading day of May. And so this was resistance initially. And you can see that the market went sideways for a good bit of time trying to deal with this monthly pivot range, and then this afternoon we popped up here. So get that off there. So today, overall, a very bullish day. Once you got the A up confirmed, you want to get on board and just hold. And like I said, it was dealing with, in this area, went sideways for a very long time, dealing with that monthly pivot range. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today. See you later.